Right, so here we are inside Freelander and my foot is on the brake. We shall insert the key. Yeah, things are clicking but stuff's not happening. Right, so we are changing the brake light bulb. And I know what you're thinking, why are we doing that, guys? Well, modern vehicles are peculiar temperamental things and there's a brake light bulb out, but we don't want that because we're trying to diagnose a fault, and we know for these to start we have to apply the foot brake, otherwise they won't start. A braking issue on the lighting circuit could cause havoc, so we'll fix that first to knock it off the list. Right, so I've just put the key in, turn the ignition on, and we know it's not starting, but we're just going to jump it and see from the relay. I've pulled the relay out, let's just check everything and see if it starts. Right, so we've been plugged into it, and I'll just turn the ignition on. Steering column locked. Well, it's not locked, it's free to move, but because it thinks it's in the locked position, it won't release the signal from the start button to start it. So we need to either cheat the system or put a steering column on it, steering lock. We're back with the Freelander 2 that wouldn't start, and it's a steering column fault. Here is the steering column, and you can see there it's got Volvo printed on it. It's a Volvo component because most of the stuff off a Freelander is either off a Ford Cougar or a Volvo. Anyway, back to it. There's the steering column lock. I've unplugged it, which is this plug here. And if we go to my van, I've got one of these to diagnose a situation. This is a steering lock emulator, so it tricks it into thinking the steering lock's working even though it's failed, and we can use this to diagnose the fault. So I'm just going to plug it into there and then all should be good. Right, I've stuck the old top-on JS3000 on there just because it's cold and that battery's not great. We've got the top-on on, it is mega cold, so I'm not sure how good this thing starts in the cold.